In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive Amazon orders in 2025. Whether you're looking to tidy up your order history or just remove some old purchases from plain sight, archiving orders on Amazon is a straightforward process. And the best part, you can always bring them back whenever you need to. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to open Amazon in your preferred web browser. This step may seem obvious, but it's the gateway to all the great features Amazon offers, including managing your orders. Once you have Amazon open, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, take a moment to enter your login details. Now, with Amazon open and logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Account and Lists menu. Click on this section and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select Your Orders. This will take you to a list of your past orders. It's like having a detailed receipt for everything you've ever bought, which is super helpful for tracking spending and keeping records. Once you're in the Your Orders menu, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the purchases you've made. Scroll through your order history and locate the item or order you wish to archive. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hover over the particular order you'd like to archive. When you do this, an option labeled Archive Order will pop up just below the item. Click on this option. Amazon will prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you want to proceed with archiving the order. Confirm and that order will be moved to your Archived Orders page. Archiving orders is handy for maintaining a clean order history, especially if you share the account and want to keep some purchases discreet. But what if you need to unarchive an order? Don't worry, that's just as simple. Go back to the Your Orders page and find the Archived Orders option, usually at the bottom of the page or in your order settings. Clicking this will show you all the orders you've previously archived. Browse through these until you find the order you'd like to unarchive, then click on Unarchive Order. Just like that, it will reappear in your standard order history. And there you have it, a simple way of tidying up your Amazon order history by archiving and unarchiving when necessary those past purchases. It's a small trick, but incredibly useful, especially if you're a frequent shopper. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep your Amazon account organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.